Hi everyone, Neeraj Naidu advocate here. Today, continuing this series on real estate property verification, we will talk about registrations. Buyers think that registrations happening in a particular property means there is no problem, or else they think title of the property is clear. Registration of a property means it is a government record of all the transactions happening in that particular property. It doesn't ensure any kind of assurance from the government, or it doesn't mean title is clear. You need to basically understand what is the main purpose of registration. In the process of registration, government gets revenue, buyers get record of the sale or purchase. Apart from that, it doesn't serve any other purpose. It's only to show that you are the purchaser of that particular property as on date. To further understand that registration is not a conclusive evidence of clear title, because there are other aspects which needs to be checked before going for registrations. Many people think because registrations are happening or many people are living in that particular apartment or land, buyers think there is no problem. It's very wrong concept. People need to understand title of the property has nothing to do with the registrations happening or number of people living in that particular apartment, building or land, etc. To understand, I will give you an example. Like there is a particular land in Maheshwaram which registrations are happening in that particular layout. I will not disclose the venture name, but this is personally handled by me. Now registrations are not happening, but earlier the registrations were happening because they have obtained a court order saying that registrations can be done subject to a condition that it doesn't ensure title and subject to the outcome of High Court final order. So when the buyers buy based on the High Court orders or registrations orders of the High Court, it doesn't mean they will get the title. It is subject to the outcome of final order, and the litigation may continue from High Court to Supreme Court also. And there are many cases which are pending. Now coming to the point, whether registrations happening or people living in that particular land or property ensures clear title. People usually buy these properties seeing the number of people living there, but 90% of the people don't do due diligence. They don't even check whether the title is clear or not. They simply go by EC. They don't even review all the documents. They don't take any kind of legal opinion. They simply see the EC and come to a conclusion saying that there is no problem at all, and they go for registration and they get it registered. And after some time, people realize that registrations are stopped by government for any reasons. They can stop issuing. Recently, government has issued a memo saying that GP layout registrations are prohibited. Now, people who are bought properties in GP layout, they have rushed to the High Court, got orders, temporary orders, that is interim orders, and they are getting registered to some other people who are not aware about these issues, like government has prohibited GP layout registration. So there are number of problems that may crop up in future if only registrations are happening and if number of people are living based on these points. If purchasing properties, thinking it's clear. So buyers should be very careful while buying a property just because registrations are happening or just because many people are living. We will continue this series. Thank you.